Can I wear? Should I wear these then? Yeah! Oh, my butterfly! I'm ready to move to Texas. Let's go. I'm going. How the fuck you get this? Right till I can. No. Wait, why would I stop it? Just do me a favor and don't eat that dog. Alright, you can't eat dog. Who the fuck says I'm eating a fucking dog, bitch? And first of all, I'm not fucking Chinese. I'm from Southeast Asia, you dumbass bitch. Oh, what are you, a stupid American? Doesn't know fucking geography? That is so perfect. She come with this new hair.